Gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I've been wanting to do this video for so long because I've been using these earbuds for weeks and weeks now, and I just want to tell you guys how great these are. Galaxy Buds Plus full review. Remember, my reviews are subjective with hints of objectiveness sprinkled in there, but honestly most of this is just me giving my honest opinion on these. I don't like to just list off facts. That's not what this tech channel is all about. And as I mentioned, guys, I am doing a Galaxy Buds Pro giveaway. I hit 1,000 subs on this channel, signed by me. So if you would be so kind, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified exactly when my videos go live, because YouTube is really bad at notifying subscribers. Let's get into the full subjective review of the Galaxy Buds Plus that came out in 2020. Focus. Okay, so the first question you're probably wondering is who are these buds for? Who's the target audience for these? And honestly, it could be everyone. I think anyone could get these earbuds and they'd work fine. The app, the Galaxy Wearables app, is on the iOS store, so these can work for iPhone users. But the main target audience, and Samsung knows this, is the Samsung users. If you have a Samsung smart device, tablet, even smartwatch like my Gear Sport, I can hook these up to my Gear Sport and play music through them, which is great. But the customization within the app is phenomenal. It's quick pairing on Samsung devices, so you just open up the lid like so and they'll automatically hook up to your phone. So yeah, that's the target audience for these earbuds. Okay, next I think it's important to discuss the case of these. The case is very important, just as important really as the earbuds as themselves. The hinge mechanism for this is much improved compared to the original Galaxy Buds. Much more stiff and long lasting. The Galaxy Buds original version, the case was a bit flimsy, and especially just pushing it like this, there'd be no stiffness to it. Nice click when it goes fully back, and then nice click when the magnet actually closes like that. But yeah, here we have a glossy texture, which I don't mind. It does pick up fingerprints. The original Buds had a matte finish, which didn't pick up fingerprints, and you can hardly see the Samsung logo on here, but honestly, I could care less. USB Type-C for charging, supports quick charge, supports wireless charge, and on the newer Samsung devices, they do have the reverse wireless charging, so you can just plop the earbuds on your device like so, and yeah, they'll charge via your phone, which is honestly a great feature. But overall, love the case. The earbuds snap in like so. They don't really fall out. That was an issue with the originals, was when you shook them, they would fall out sometimes, but here, nothing like that. Left and right indicator, unless you don't know what left and right is. But yeah, they fit in here great. Case is phenomenal. Honestly, 10 out of 10 for the case. Let's talk fit in the ear, because I brought this up during my Galaxy Buds Pro video. These ones right here, I hated the fit in the ear of these. They had no wingtip, so they didn't secure in my ears properly. You would have to do this weird twisting mechanism. Despise that. Absolutely despise that sort of technology. These are the same exact shape and size as the original Galaxy Buds. And those already fit my ears great, so these obviously being identical are also going to fit my great. So they have this little wingtip right here, and if my camera can focus on that right there, they have this wingtip that hooks into this part of your ear right here, basically securing it, and this goes much deeper than the Galaxy Bud Pro. So you put it in here, and the wingtip will latch onto that part of your ear, and I feel like I'm talking louder right now because it's got good noise isolation in addition to that. And basically, you can shake a ton and this thing is not going to fall out of your ear. It's very comfortable, and I can use this for hours on end and no discomfort, no nothing. It's great overall. It's literally a 9.5 out of 10 in terms of comfort. The Galaxy Buds Pro, I'd give a 3 out of 10. They were uncomfortable in my ears, and they kept falling out, and these are very lightweight. Nice glossy finish, by the way, too. The wingtip makes a huge difference by latching onto that part of your ear. I don't know the actual name for it, but yeah, go get these if you want a comfortable earbud. So with any I don't know, like earbud reviews, you probably want to know like how these sound, right? I'm not an audiophile by no means, but I don't claim to be. So that's the thing. I can give you my subjective thoughts on the audio quality. So I already thought the original Galaxy Buds had an incredible sound to them. The highs, the mids were really solid. The only thing that was really lacking was the bass. These improved on the bass. I'm not going to sit here and say the bass is phenomenal. The Buds Pros really increased the bass quality, but there was a slight increase in bass quality going from the Buds to the Buds Plus, which I did appreciate. So it kind of like just fixed most of the issues with the original Buds. Those I'd give like probably like 8 out of 10. And then these, since there was an increase, I'd give them like a 9 out of 10. And then the Buds Pros, since they increased the bass even more, I'd give like a 9.5 out of 10. I'm never going to give something a 10 out of 10 because nothing's perfect and you can always improve it. But yeah, sound quality here, great. The bass was slightly improved from the originals. Highs and mids, really, really solid on here. And if I were to recommend any earbuds that you could use for working out, it'd be these. And also listening to podcasts is great. It has a really good thick sound to it. Really good listening to like rap music, jazz, hip hop, even country, to be honest, and some pop music. But yeah, really good like dynamic sound. These two, and one thing that makes this sound quality better than the originals is the two-way speaker system. So they added a second speaker in here. The originals only had one speaker in them, but now it's like a dual speaker setup of audio going in like different 180-degree directions, which honestly, I can actually notice it. I really can. I've listened to these side by side, the original Galaxy Buds, and I can notice a difference. Overall audio quality, phenomenal on these, and very versatile as well. Okay, so I'm not sure how well my camera is going to pick up the app, but I thought I'd just walk you through like what the actual app looks like, because that is important, right? Just shows you a little picture of the earbuds at the top with the battery percentage right there. We have ambient sound on and off. You can customize this a lot, actually. You can make the ambient sound like pick up a lot of sound, as in you can like hear things from like the other room, and the microphones are so sensitive. It's kind of scary how that works. Or you can turn it all the way down and you can hear like barely anything coming from your surroundings. Or you can just turn it off altogether and get that like really solid noise cancellation. Let me just turn my brightness up right here. You can adjust it there, and then we have the equalizer. I have normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. I keep it on dynamic because I think that sounds the best in my opinion. We have touch controls for the left and right. If you just tap, play pause, double tap, skip tracks, triple tap to go to the previous song, hold it down to activate like Bixby or Google Assistant. You can also block touches if you don't want anything to happen when you're actually doing this. Reading notifications out loud, you can choose what apps you want it to read notifications. Advanced features, use ambient sound during phone calls, seamless earbud connection. Keep that on, you want that on all the time. Labs, this is the cool thing, like these are like beta like things that they have testing right now. They're not like fully complete yet, but we have double tap earbud edge. This is so sick. So you can just double tap your ear right here, not the bud itself, just your ear, and you can adjust the volume. Go turn that on. Such an underrated feature. They got rid of it on the Buds Pros. No idea why, but yeah, that's why honestly I love these earbuds so much, is because this one feature. Extra high ambient volume, that's like if you want to hear things like 2 miles away, the microphones will pick it up. Kind of scary, I don't recommend that. And then gaming mode to decrease latency between the time something happens in your game or in an app and the noise actually like activating in the earbuds. It's a great feature overall. Find my earbuds if you lose them. There's general sending, that's pointless though. And then there's software updates all the time. Samsung keeps this stuff up to date, so no issues with that. I think I just want to briefly touch on, and then I'll give you my closing thoughts, is just battery life. A plus battery life, that's all I have to say about it. 11 hours with the earbuds solely by themselves, like if they're not in the case, and then the case will give you an additional 11 hours, so we're looking at 22 hours of total music playtime if you were to recharge them in the case. Such an improvement over the original Galaxy Buds. I had to recharge those things like all the time. Battery life on the Buds Plus, massive improvement, and no complaints with the battery life. I can get several days of listening out of these things and don't even have to recharge. Okay, people, so should you buy these earbuds? Well, based on everything I just said, yeah. I mean, this is a no-brainer. Go pick these up. They sell them everywhere, I think, right now. You can buy these online, on Samsung's website, or Amazon or Best Buy. They're available everywhere. If you can get these things for $100 like I did, absolute steal. Some of my favorite earbuds. No, I think these are my favorite earbuds by far. I like these so much better than the Buds Pros. I'll be doing a full comparison between the Buds Pros and the Buds Plus if you guys want to see that. Leave a comment down below if you're interested in that sort of thing. Once again, giveaway going on when I hit 1,000 subs, so hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your best friend or family member. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you want to see on the channel. I have video ideas that I'm going to pump out, but I'm always interested to hear what you guys want to see. So I can kind of like tailor the content to what my viewers want to see. But obviously, I have to like what I'm doing as well, and I love this stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video. Scott Tyler, peace out.